Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pass Arena 13 in Clash Royale. First, select a proven deck, like Lavaloon Valkyrie, a popular and effective deck that balances strong offense with solid defense, capable of handling various threats in the mid ladder, and P.E.K.K.A Bridge Spam, a fast and aggressive deck that wins by overwhelming opponents with a P.E.K.K.A and Ram Rider push, supported by cards like Baby Dragon and the Berserker. 3.0 E-Spirit Cycle, a classic, strong deck with a simple game plan. Protect the E-Spirit and finish the opponent with Fireball Cycles. Valkyrie Lock Bait, a solid choice that includes the Infernal Tower and Guards, effective against popular Arena 13 cards like P.E.K.K.A and Mega Knight. Number 2. Master your deck. Play consistently by choosing one meta-transcendent deck and play constantly to become proficient and learn the intricacies of its interactions. Watch skilled players on YouTube to understand card placement, when to spend elixir, how to counter opponent pushes, and how to manage your elixir efficiently. Understand card rules. Recognize the specific niche and purpose of each card in your deck for both offense and defense. Number 3. Improve your gameplay. Elixir management. Learn to efficiently manage your elixir, avoiding overspending on pushes and always having enough for defense. Strategic positioning. Pay attention to the exact placement of your cards to maximize the effectiveness and to trigger your King Tower or activate other defenses at the right time. Counter pushing. Learn to transition from defense to offense. Launch counter pushes that capitalize on your opponent's commitment of elixir and force them to retreat. Some general tips include joining a clan. Joining a clan can provide valuable benefits, including card donations and participation in clan wars. Upgrade cards. Focus on upgrading your chosen deck's cards to increase their power and manage the level of opponents you're facing. And finally, be patient. Progressing through the arenas takes time. Continue to practice, learn from your losses, and eventually you will advance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.